Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Basecamp account step by step. Basecamp is a popular project management and team collaboration platform that helps you organize tasks, communicate with your team, share files, and manage projects from one place. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Basecamp website. On the home page, click the Sign Up, Get Started, or Try Basecamp button to begin creating your account. Next, enter your name, email address, and any other information requested on the registration form. Create a strong password that's unique to your account, then review the details to make sure everything is entered correctly before continuing. After filling out the form, click Create Account or Continue. Basecamp may send a verification email to confirm your email address. If that happens, open your inbox, find the email from Basecamp, and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your email has been verified, sign in to Basecamp using your new credentials. The platform may ask you to create your first project, invite team members, or customize your workspace by entering your company or organization name. Take a few minutes to explore the dashboard, where you'll find tools for creating to-do lists, message boards, schedules, documents, and team chats. You can always update your profile and account settings later as your workspace grows, and that's it. You now know how to create a Basecamp account and start organizing your projects and collaborating with your team. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.